Hello there guys, it's me again, Dennis, and you're watching PanFam. In today's video we're about to make a review of the Logitech's KDA limited edition G305 gaming mouse. I myself never experienced a mouse that costs over 15 bucks, so in today's video we're about to figure out if I can tell the difference. Check the timeline if you really want to skip to the part where I compare the two mices. And by the way, this video is not sponsored, so hitting the like and sub button will definitely help my growing channel a lot. Thank you. KDA G305. It has a nice and elegant package design. We can see that this product is also powered by League of Legends by showing the logo and their champion, KAISA. The same champion is illustrated again on one of the sides of this box. Plus, we have the features of the mouse written on its back. It has light speed, technology that delivers strong low latency connection, has amazing tracking performance with up to 12,000 dpi because of the hero sensor. It lasts for up to 250 hours of gaming with a single AA battery, and it is under 100 grams. I did some product photography of this mouse and it's on my Instagram account. Make sure to check it out after this video. Thanks. Now let's unbox the product. This is what we see the moment we open the box. Cardboard and a mouse wrapped in something with the Logitech's logo. Whatsoever, the inner presentation of this product is not anything special. We can see that the mouse is coming with a AA battery, but we will talk about this later. Let's see the papers. We have a sticker, which is really cool. I love them so much. High quality printed flyer that is advertising more of their products. Something that we don't care about. And what is that? Nothing. Okay, let's see what we have here. The battery and the USB extender in case your dongle is not close enough to make a signal. We got the usual DPI button on top and the power button, which is on the bottom side of the mouse. By sliding the plastic shutter, we expose the battery slot and the USB dongle. To insert the battery, we're facing the plus metal terminal downside. And now we can't get the dongle out. Oh my god. Okay, let's take it off. And here we go. We have a tiny dongle. So cute. I'm used to seeing the laser flashing, so I can indicate the mouse is really working. But we got the DPI LEDs for that. Now, when we have the mouse and we're ready to go, let's test the mouse and see how it feels in the battlefield. For that test, we're playing Halo Infinite ranked matches. We are about to start with my old one, which is around 7 years old, and it costed me $9 back then. I'm used to it, so I can't say anything about it. Let's just see the results of the match. I don't know, not bad I guess. Let's try the Logitech G305 now. Okay, let's turn it on and... damn, it feels smooth and fast. The difference is huge. I'm not going to lie, it really feels like you're controlling the mouse. If that makes any sense to you. Feels so accurate as well. Let's see the two end results. I finished my 10 ranked matches and with this mouse I got into gold. So does it feel better than the old one? Yes, of course. Is this KDA mouse worth buying? Well, if you're not a League of Legends fan, you can actually find the mouse cheaper on the market. And yes, this is one good mouse and I enjoyed every single minute using the thing. But this is just my own opinion over this product. Tell me what is your favorite mouse or what mouse are you using down into the comment section. And if the video helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button because it will help my channel grow and get discovered. Thank you again, I was Dennis, and have a wonderful day. That's pretty fucking normal, I guess. Okay. I can see there's a fucking hunter. Oh my god, bro. Holy. Okay. Oh.